So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. In this video, we will discuss about our syllabus and important topics for data science for engineers. So let's discuss our official syllabus. So week first, course philosophy and introduction to R. And in week second, the topic is linear algebra for data science. First topic is algebraic view like vectors, matrix, product of matrix and vector, rank, null space, solution of overdetermined set of equations and pseudo inverse. And the second topic is geometric view like vectors, distance, projections, eigenvalue decomposition. And week third is statistics, descriptive statistics, notion of probability, distribution, mean, variance, covariance, covariance metric, understanding univariate and multivariate normal distributions, introduction to hypothesis testing, confidence interval for estimates. So these are the topic of statistics you have to study in week third, and in week fourth you have to study about optimization, and in week fifth you have to study about optimization and second typology of data science problems and a solution framework. And in week 6 you have to study about simple linear regression and verifying assumptions used in linear regression. And second topic is multivariate linear regression model assessment, assessing importance of different variable subset selection. And in week 7 you have to study about classification using logistic regression, and in week 8 classification using k double n and k means cluster. So these are the topics you have to study about in official syllabus. But our analysis of the syllabus in comparison with the weekly assignment is, so let's discuss one by one. So in week first, introduction to R. So in week first you have to study about R basics like variables, lists, data frames, indexing, data types, reshaping data like melt, cast, and then built-in functions like list, is.numeric. And the most important topics in our week first is R syntax, data structures, indexing, data frame operations, and last is functions. So these are the important topics of our week first. And now let's discuss about our week second. So week second is linear algebra. So in week second, assignment focus on system of linear equations like unique, no, infinite solutions, and then Gaussian elimination like free variables, determinants, invertibility, conditions, and eigenvalues, eigen decomposition. So the most important topics in our week second linear algebra is solving linear systems, rank and null space, determinant properties, and eigenvalues, eigenvectors. Now let's discuss about our week third statistics. So week third statistics. So in week third, the question emphasizes variance, expectations, normal distribution, z-test, hypothesis testing, covariance, correlation coefficient, probability, Bayes theorem, and measures of central tendencies. And the most important topics of our week third statistics is descriptive stats, probability distributions, variance, covariance, correlation, hypothesis testing. And now let's discuss about our week 4. So week 4 optimization. So in week 4 assignment test gradient Hessian stationary points like max, minimum, saddle point, and positive definiteness of matrices, increasing, decreasing functions, gradient descent, objective functions. And the most important topic of our week 4 optimization is gradient and Hessian, convexity, stationary points, optimization conditions, gradient descent. And now let's discuss about our week 5th. So week 5th, optimization plus data science problem typology. So in week 6, the question extend optimization with KKT conditions, Lagrangian's formulation, constraints linear and nonlinear, profit maximization, minimization problems, and constant optimization examples. So these are the topics of our week 5th you have to study about. And the most important topic in our week 5th is KKT conditions, Lagrangian, constant versus unconstrained optimization, practical application. So these are the most important topic in our week 5th. Now let's discuss about our week 6th. So week 6th, regression. So in week 6, assignment to use datasets bond.txt to build models, focusing on simple regression equations, correlations, R square and adjusted R square, residual error, SSE, SSR, SST, and assumptions of regression. And the most important topics in our week 6 regression is simple linear regression, R square, adjusted R square, correlation versus covariance, residuals, error matrix. And now let's discuss about our week 7. So week 7, logistics regression. So question test classification versus regression problems, cross validation techniques like LOOCV, K-fold, confusion matrix, accuracy sensitivity, GLM with binomial distribution and iris datasets analysis, normality, missing values, summaries, visual interpretation. So these are the topics you have to study in week 7th, and the most important topics of our week 7 logistic regression is logistic regression basics like GLM, family classification metrics like accuracy, sensitivity, and validation techniques, iris dataset analysis. And week 8 now, and week 8 is KNN and K means clustering. So the assignment covers K mean clusterings like WSS, BCSS, TSS, cluster sizes, normalization scaling, KNN basics, K choice, nearest neighbor, and method for choosing optimal cluster elbow dendrogram. So the most important topics of our week 8 is K means clustering, SSE, SSTSS, KNN algorithm, distance based classification, cluster validation. Now let's discuss about our summary of most important topics across all weeks. So our first topic is R programming basics and data handling. It is related to week first. You have to study about R programming basics and data handling in week first. And then second is linear algebra, solving systems, determinants, eigenvalue. You have to study about these topics in week second. It is very important topic. And then third is statistics and hypothesis testing like mean, variance, covariance, z-test, bias. It is related to week third. It also important topics. And then fourth, optimization, gradient, Hessian, KKT, Lagrangian. It is related to week fourth and fifth. Now the fifth is regression, simple and multiple, R square, residuals, assumptions. It is related to week six. And then sixth is classifications, logistics regression, cross validation, confusion matrix. It is related to week 7. And seventh is clustering. K means K double N, SSE, BC, SS, cluster sizes, elbow method. It is related to week 8. So these are the most important topics of our all the weeks. So thank you friends for watching our syllabus and important topics for data science for engineers. Now we will meet in our mock test of data science for engineer. So thank you friends for watching our video.